Hello guys, Eli here, and sorry pero hindi na tayo umabot dun sa dito sa 7 falls, but we made it to the 3rd falls, and cute nga lang siya. Tsaka ayan, nakikita nyo basang basa ako. Then so nice experience taking bath here, and sarap maligo guys. And nadali pa yung shades ko, but anyway, okay lang yun kasi bigay ko na yun kay Mother Nature bilang pasasalamat. And guys, hopefully see you next time. And Eli here, kinapos tayo ng oras, papauwi na tayo. Time check, it's 3:30, and papauwi na tayo. And soon guys, babalik tayo dito with more friends, mga kasama, and then let's enjoy. Guys, little glimpse. Thank you Mother Nature sa ganda. You're adventure lover guys, you're gonna love this one. Ayan guys, nakita nyo, pababa tayo. So Eli here, and we're signing off. Tuloy-tuloy na to, uwi na to. And salamat guys. Once again, Eli here at 7 Falls, Balacayo Mountains, Santo City. Thank you.